Rohit loved keeping his home clean, but one thing ruined the comfort of his living room: his sofa. Over time, everyday life happened: food crumbs, dust, spills, and pet fur. The fresh color faded, and the sofa began to lose its charm. No matter how much he cleaned, it never looked the same. He even felt uncomfortable when guests came over. The sofa that once made his room beautiful now made it feel dull. So he searched for a solution and discovered DoorStepDryClean. Professional sofa shampooing, stain removal, and fabric restoration at its best. With just one click, Rohit booked a sofa deep cleaning appointment. The DoorStepDryClean team arrived right on time, ready to restore his sofa to perfection. From deep dust removal to stain treatment, from foam shampooing or to odor elimination, every inch of the sofa was cleaned with care. And the result? A sofa that looked fresh, bright, soft, almost new. He could finally enjoy his living room again thanks to DoorStepDryClean. DoorStepDryClean. Freshness is just a doorstep away.